channel. Today I have made the executive decision on my 1480 combine. I'm gonna fix it. Cause first off, that thing don't owe me a dadgum thing. That is a cash cow, money making oil well right there. I mean, she just pump. So I'm gonna just fix it up, bite the bullet. We've got T-minus what, 125 days, 16 hours, 32 minutes and 14 seconds till bean harvest. So I've got a little bit of time to get that combine ready. So we're gonna start tearing into that a little bit. Once I'm done with that, we're gonna head down to the pasture, check some cows, get back up to the farm, and see what's going on with Grandpa and Larry. I'm pretty sure they got all the beans in the ground, ground's all worked, beans planted, water's on, so we'll go check in with that. And then we'll do a little bit of 4th of July special, a little bit of pool party, a little bit of fireworks. So let's get to work on the old combine. That's what we're gonna replace this whole hydrostatic motor, drive, whatever you want to call it, because it leaks like a sieve. Look down here on the ground. All of that is hydraulic oil. It leaked out. I could barely keep enough in, and it leaks out right there at the bottom. You can kind of see, yep, there when it dripped. It's just leaking pretty bad. So first thing we're gonna do is get these shields off, get these outside shields off, or these covers, whatever you want to call them. Pop those off, and then that will allow me to work on a little bit better right there. Oh, jeez, those tools didn't ride very well down here, did they? Looks like we're gonna need maybe a ½ inch. Oh, missed one. Look at this sucker. It's like an old loose tooth. Look at this. Boom. She's about ready to come off. So I'm in the back of the combine, right? And if you listen, oh, there it is, right there. It's a big old freaking pack rat. Get out of here, dadgummit! Oh my gosh. Ugh. I'm half tempted just to fire this dadgum thing up and kill that pack rat. Jeez. That freaking thing was the size of a small dog. Oh, it's heavier than what it looks like. Oh. Good thing I've been working out. So now that that shield's off, yeah, you can kind of see in there and look how bad that's leaking, or has been leaking, I should say. I'm hoping with this shield here, I can just take off these bolts here, take off these bolts here, and maybe a couple on the top, and then just be able to just to pry it up. So we'll see how that goes. Well, change of plans, gonna throw an audible here. Once I took those bolts out and these bolts out, there was basically nothing holding it on. So I think I'm just gonna pop it right off. Hopefully it doesn't weigh as much as the other one did. What's that? Whoops. I'm very fortunate today that Chelsea let me take this ladder from home. This is an antique relic. Look at this. Look how this, I don't know if you guys could tell, but they actually brought this over on the Mayflower. So hopefully I won't die when I use the world's oldest ladder. So backside. Oh shit. Oh. missed. Oh, I missed 2. Dang it. Missed 2 bolts. What now? Stupid bolts. Shit. Damn, that was heavy. Oh, just about died. Yeah, so now we can actually really get in here and look at it, and I think it's been going bad for a while. There's just so much buildup of crap. That's why I keep losing so much hydraulic fluid. So yeah, now I just got to get a new one of these bad boys, which will be, I don't know, $3,000. Is this machine even worth $3,000? Well, that right there, get all my tools put away here. That was about as much fun as I want to have for today. I'm gonna get packed up and get out of here. I don't need any more near-death experiences. That about killed me right there. That used a life. No joke about that. Now I'm down to 4. So we'll tackle the rest of this on another day, but let's go check in, see how the cows are doing. We haven't seen the cows for a while. And then we'll stop by the shop and see old Grandpa and Larry. What the heck do we have over here? You guys supposed to be out? Huh? You guys supposed to be hanging out in the ditch? Supposed to be back in the fence? Huh? Who do I need to call? That's right. Get going. Get going back in there. That's right. Thank God those aren't my cows. Well, cows look like they're doing pretty good. A couple things you gotta remember when you're checking cows. 1, are they all there? 2, is there anything mooing? So if like a mama cow's, you know, going crazy, you need to be checking for its baby, it's lost. 3, do you smell anything? If you smell something like death, you've had one die. So those are the 3 things you gotta remember when you're checking cows. All right, let's get back on up to the shop and see what's checking on with the old timers. Well, it looks like Larry's up here moving the system because they're spraying right over there. You have to spray the herbicide before the beans come up. So let's check in with them, see what's going on. No way you could get me to drive one of those. I don't know if that's a 100-foot boom or 75-foot, whatever it is. No flipping way. Going 15 miles an hour, count me out. That is a nice setup though, my goodness, I'd like to have that. I wouldn't use it, I'd make Blaine use it. So Larry's moving the system so they can get a good, nice spray on the whole circle. We got this corner going into crabgrass, which means we'll have to swath and bale and all that fun stuff. So that means more square bales for me to pick up. Hopefully Larry's been practicing a little bit on how to dump square bales, because I don't really feel like picking up another 200. Well, let's go to the shop, see what's cracking. I'm thirsty. I ran out of water a long time ago. There's Grandpa. Looks like he's out practicing his putting game. I wonder if he's been challenging President Biden and Trump to a driving match. They need the younger, flexible guy to do some greasing. Let's get greasing to 835.
Is that
Right.
one that says 50 hours?
Right.
Those that you did back on there, there's pivot points
Kind of underneath on all that crap.
down here.
Yeah.
Every shaft should have a, you know.
You better call the mechanic. You better get that fixed.
I'd like to get a new tack in there because it doesn't keep track of hours or anything.
Yeah.
Get a new tack and a new tack cable.
What the heck do we got in here? What is this?
What do you mean?
There you go. You got some nice corn that was stuck up in here.
That's been there for a while.
It's been there a hot minute, yeah.
We haven't worked any corn ground.
Huh. You couldn't have got that any better.
One big ass steeple. What the hell?
There.
No, we done. Big old.
Well, there you go, kids. There's Spray Man spraying the beans. Grandpa and Larry said they got close to 170,000 seeds per acre out here. I sure hope that means some fun cutting this fall. All right, we checked in the old timers. We checked some cows. Let's go have some fun and celebrate the good old 4th of July, also known as America's birthday. Let's go have some food, some swimming, some firecrackers. Pew, 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 pew. Grill master extraordinaire. What are you making us for 4th of July celebration?
Woo! By God, we're gonna have some fajitas, beef, chicken. Oh, I can taste it already.
Mom, we're gonna swim.
Where's the baby? Where's Sissy at? What's the matter? We're gonna go do firecrackers now.
Here, I'm giving you.
Boo, boo, boo. Look at all those firecrackers down there.
Here.
Kaboom, kaboom. Do you like firecrackers?
Here.
Yeah, I know you do.
Yeah, and we got a slime one.
Oh, a slime one. You like slime?
Yes, I know.
No, you just like fruit snacks and cheese. That's all you like.
I like slime.
Cheese.
No, man.
Oh, I like that
Where's the bucket?
one.
Run!
I can't see.
Run!
This old lady don't run.
Me.
What the heck are you doing?
Wait, it's not long enough.
Firefighter 1.
Woo! I'm just getting soaked.
Whoa! Whoa! America! That's gonna do it for today. From all of us here at the Smallville Farmer family, we want to thank you guys all for watching. Make sure you guys give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and have a happy, safe 4th of July weekend. Happy birthday, America. We'll see you guys next time.